Hi, I'm Christina Bergston with the Animal Law Firm. I'm here today to talk to you about animal law and what is the problem with animal law. Animal law is the practice of law devoted to animal-related matters, from pet custody disputes to dog bite defense to veterinary malpractice, service animal representation, and anything in between. We help shelters, rescues, and sanctuaries in addition to private pet owners and hobby animal owners such as llamas, goats, sheep, pigs, lizards, whatever. we can help. The problem with animal law that I wanted to talk about today is that animals are considered property under the law. It doesn't matter what state you're in, what city. If you live in America and probably anywhere else in the world, animals are considered property. That means that your beloved furry family member is no different than a chair, a car. Actually, they probably have less rights than a car, if I'm being honest. A computer, whatever. Any inanimate object in your home, that's property, and that is the equivalent of what your pet's rights have in this country. I practice law across 3 states, soon to be 4, maybe 5 this year. We'll see what happens. And in every single state, the biggest hurdle to my practice is the designation of animals as property. And what this means for you and your furry family member is that it's extremely difficult to recover money damages for what you and I know to be the emotional trauma and distress related to a veterinarian who kills your pet or harms your pet, or if someone else or something hurts your pet. There's no emotional distress damages for your pet. Some jurisdictions will recognize limited recovery for you if you happen to watch your pet get hurt or killed, but even then it's very low and it's very limited and it's very judge specific. The problem that I deal with is that I cannot single-handedly change the law. As much as I would love to believe that I can, it is very, very difficult to change the law in the United States through the court system. So if you want to help, if you want to make a difference, if this is something that is important to you, then what you need to do is reach out to your local council member, your local state representative, your local state senator, and implore them, beg them, ask them nicely, whatever you need to do to change the designation of pets as property to something more sentient, something that has emotions, thoughts, feelings. They are more than just property, as you and I know. And even our local representatives know that as well. They just choose not to make the changes because if there are any changes in the designation of pets as property, then the agricultural and dairy and all the other meat and dairy farming, whatever, industries, which are huge, powerful lobbies with millions, if not billions of dollars to throw at legislators to get them to change the laws in their favor. As long as pets are property in the agricultural realm, they will remain property in the private pet realm. So you need to get your friends, your family together, and all of you need to find out who your local representative is and go in there and lobby, which means ask nicely, write nice letters, support your candidate that you believe in, and ask them to change the law to make pets more than property. I only am licensed to practice law in 3 states, Colorado, Pennsylvania, and New Jersey at the moment. That said, I do have a lot of experience around the country hearing claims about people who have lost pets and are unable to recover damages for the loss. So I am more than happy to help anyone in any state, anywhere, come testify for a bill, come write letters of support, whatever you need, I am more than happy to help. I do not do legislative drafting, which is a very specific form of legal work. I don't do that. So I can't help you write a bill, but I can help you come and testify in support of a bill. I can help you write letters to your representatives. I can write a letter on behalf of myself. Now, my letter isn't going to carry as much weight because if I don't vote in that representative's district, if I'm not a constituent, as they say, of that particular legislator, then my letter is not going to carry as much weight, but I am happy to write a letter nonetheless. So what I'm saying is, if you need help, I'm happy to provide it. I can connect you with resources depending on what state you're in to help you get in touch with someone who can write letters. But the main thing is to find out who your legislator is, write them a letter, call their office, go in person, talk to them, sit down, and they will listen to you because they have to if you are a voter that they care about. And so anything I can do to help change the designation from pets as property to pets as family members, I'm more than happy to help. And until that happens, my job is going to be an uphill battle, but we work hard every day to change the law to make it more animal-centric, more animal-focused. And it is slowly but surely getting there, but if you could help change the law, that's going to be the biggest help you can give to your furry family member. That's it for today. Stay tuned for next time, and have a happy Monday.